Members of the Hmong community are preparing to remember General Vang Pao. Action News reporter Tommy Tran is live in Clovis, where a vigil for the general is being held tonight. Tommy?
Amanda, we're at the Memorial United Methodist Church, and the candlelight vigil is expected to get underway in about an hour. Dozens of people are expected to gather and mourn the loss of General Vang Pao. And with his funeral coming up in about 2 weeks, there seems to be a divide within the Hmong community. Ziher is part of the Hmong 18 Clan Council in Fresno. The group believes money raised for the Hmong community was not used correctly by more traditional groups. The organization has upset at General Vang Pao's family for not allowing them to attend his funeral and make a speech in his honor.
As a group, we would like to go there and give our point of view and actually help contribute what we like to the family, because it's not just their father, it's actually the majority of the Hmong community's father that, he's been a great leader to all of us.
And what I was told, that's not true.
Pao Fang of the Laos Family Association of Fresno will assist the general's family with the funeral services in downtown Fresno starting February 4th. He says the Hmong 18 Clan Council will be allowed to attend the meeting as individuals, but won't guarantee they'll be able to speak at the event because of the worldwide outpouring of support for the general.
The family only inform and invite government officials in other countries. The Hmong nationwide have been calling and want to participate and want to join as a presenter as a condolence to the family.
But her believes they shouldn't have to petition like everyone else because of what they've contributed to the Hmong community in America. Some in the valley, including Hmong 18 Clan Council President Cheng Lee, has made it known they plan on boycotting the general's funeral at the Fresno Convention Center in downtown Fresno.
And you probably have other people from throughout the whole entire U.S. coming as a group, and for them to kind of exclude 18 Clan out of it, it's just like a discrimination or disregarding that they're recognized and stuff like that.
The feud between the two sides escalated back in December when the Hmong 18 Clan Council broke away and organized their own Hmong New Year celebration event. It was the first time in 12 years that the two had separated. Again, we have one celebration here in Clovis at the Memorial United Methodist Church in Clovis. Things get underway at 7 o'clock. Reporting live in Clovis, Tommy Tran, ABC 30, Action News.
Thank you, Tommy.